how to use reduced transparency for better iPhone experience. So if you want to reduce transparency for better iPhone experience, then what you need to do is, first of all you have to do is just open up your settings application and then scroll down a little bit and you'll find an accessibility section. Tap on accessibility and then tap on display text size, which is right here, display and text size. And then you'll find an option of reduce transparency, which is right here. Simply turn it on or toggle it on. And now if you swipe down, and here your liquid glass effect is gone. And if you want that blurry effect again, then you need to turn off the reduce transparency and you will have the blurry effect. You can turn it on and that's it. In this way, you'll be able to reduce transparency for a better iPhone experience. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.